eToro copy trading is a platform feature that lets you automatically replicate the trades of top performing investors in real time, offering a hands-off way to gain exposure to the markets. You can choose from thousands of verified traders, view their risk scores, performance stats, and portfolio breakdowns, then allocate funds to copy their trades across assets like stocks, crypto, and ETFs. It's beginner friendly, transparent, and doesn't charge extra copy fees beyond standard trading costs. However, there are risks if the trader you copy underperforms, you lose too. You also give up control over individual trades unless you manually intervene. There's a $200 minimum to copy someone, and features for stocks and ETFs are still expanding. Based on my experience, eToro copy trading is a great tool for passive investing and learning from others, but it's not without risk. Final verdict. It's a solid platform for beginners, but do your own research in a good way.